This is the falcon that royalty will bow down to. It is the falcon of princes. Peregrine, the wanderer, bird of the cliff and mountain, moor and craggy coastline. In the sky, there is no place for hunter to hide. This bird must rely on speed. When she tucks in her wings, she shoots towards Earth to become the fastest bird in the world. Seeing this bird in flight and on the hunt takes Hobby's breath away. He longs to learn more, to be tested. And now in this land, that test will come. From a master falconer and the most royal of falcons, the Peregrine. Hunting ducks, pigeons, catching them on the wing, they strike a target with a single deadly blow. Such speed can kill their prey on impact. A ruthless killer who is totally focused on the hunt. Hobby knew this loyal and royal bird would soon be welcomed back to the castle. Hobby continued his quest. He learned of a group of birds that lived in a far-off land that were known to some as the wolf pack of the skies. Unlike other birds of prey that hunted alone, these birds worked together to stalk, chase, trap, and kill their prey. It was not long before he met these wolves of the sky. They were the Harris Hawks. Clever and great fun. He understood why they were so popular in sport and hunting. Hobby learned that they lived and hunted as a family, with a strict hierarchy, and he saw that the ruler of the family was a female. The young males will hunt, working together to flush out hidden prey, sometimes diving from the air or running on the ground. The females will deliver the final blow to the prey. Then they feast. Ladies first, of course. Hobby admired their speed and agility, their dark brown plumage, the white bar along the tip of the tail feathers, and their long legs that had very tough skin so they could perch on sharp plants.